Okay, let's go through some more examples. I didn't do all of these examples in class only because there was a lot, so I wanted to kind of focus on the homework problems. But in the videos, I want to make sure that you have lots of examples to go through. And you can attempt them on your own as I'm doing them and just make sure that you're okay. So we have the square root of 80, a to the fifth, b to the 10th. I'm just going to temporarily rewrite it as 80, a to the fifth, b to the 10th to the 1/2 power. Now, because I know it's the 1/2 power, I have to figure out what is a square root that I can pull out of there. I know that 80 is 16 times 5, and then a to the fifth, b to the 10th, all to the 1/2 power. So I'm going to bring the 1/2 power into all of those. So I have 16 to the 1/2 power, 5 to the 1/2 power, a to the 5 over 2. Remember, we multiply those together, and then b to the 10 over 2. And so 16 to the 1/2 is just 4. The 5 stays under the square root. 2 goes into 5 twice, so I can take out 2 a's, and I have 1 left over. 2 goes into 10 5 times, and I have none left over. So my answer would be 4a squared, b to the 5th, square root of 5a. Okay, so now we have division, and we can kind of look and see if there's anything that we can do here in this particular case. Can we divide 192 divided by 64 and see if it goes into it? We can do that since you can see my screen. I think we can try that. So we can do 192 divided by 64, see if it goes, and it goes into it 3 times. So that's nice. So that means that I really have the square root of 3k to the 4th, which is really 3k to the 4th to the 1/2, which if I distribute that through, remember I can distribute a power through if there's not a plus or minus in there. So I have 3 to the 1/2, k to the 4 over 2. Of course, with a k, I can take that out. So then I can take out 2 k's, and I have none left over. The 3 I cannot take out, so it'd be k squared, square root of 3. Okay. Now, adding and subtracting. Can we add these together? So I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to do this in another video, just so that we have a different topic, which we have a few problems that we have to go through.